Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Erna Safitri. I'm from class management 22DX. Here I will presentation about introduction to legal aspect. Navigating the complex landscape of legal regulation and compliance can be daunting, but understanding this critical aspect is essential for the success and security of any organization. This introduction will provide an overview of the key legal consideration business must address. Understanding legal. Number one, familiarize yourself with common legal terms and their definitions such as contract, liability, intellectual property, and compliance. Number two, understand the legal implication of everyday business activity from employee agreement to service terms and conditions. Number three, learn how to interpret legal documents and identify key clauses that protect your interests or pose potential risk. Contract and clauses. Crafting a contract is crucial for protecting your business interests from service agreements to NDAs. Understanding key legal terminology and clauses is essential to mitigate risks and ensure your rights are safeguarded. Carefully reviewing and negotiating contract terms can mean the difference between a smooth partnership and a costly dispute down the line. Next, intellectual property. Copyright, that is, protect your original creative work like writing, art, music, and software with copyright laws. TM, trademarks, that is, register your brand name, logo, and other distinctive identifiers to prevent unauthorized use. Patents, that is, obtain patents to safeguard your innovative product, process, and invention from being copied. Trade secrets, that is, protect your valuable confidential business information that gives you a competitive. Next, regulatory. Number one, understanding regulation. Identify the key law, standard, and industry best practices that apply to your business operation. Number two, compliance assessment. Conduct regular audit to assess your level of compliance and identify any gaps or area for improvement. Number three, developing policies. Establish clear policies and procedure to ensure your business remain compliant with all relevant regulation. Dispute resolution, negotiation, that is, resolve conflict through open communication and compromise, focus on finding mutually beneficial solutions that address the underlying interests of all partners. Mediation, that is, enlist a neutral third-party mediator to facilitate discussion and help the parties reach a voluntary agreement. Arbitration, that is, refer the dispute to a private arbitrator who will hear evidence and render a binding decision. And litigation, that is, as a last resort, take the dispute to court and let a judge or jury decide the outcome. Next, legal liability and risks. Number one, identify risks. Proactively assess potential legal. Number two, implement control. Establish policies and procedure to mitigate. Number three, transfer risks. Obtain appropriate insurance. Number four, monitor the review, continuously evaluate and update risk management plan. Effective legal liability and risk management is crucial for any business. This involves systematically identifying potential legal risks, implementing appropriate control and policies, transferring risk through insurance, and continuously monitoring and updating the risk management plan. Employment law. Navigating the complex landscape of employment law is crucial for business. Key considerations include compliance with labor regulation, employee rights, and risk management strategy to avoid legal disputes. Careful adherence to hiring compensation and termination practices is essential to maintain a healthy, productive workplace. Next, business formation. Number 1, entity selection, that is choose the right legal entity for your business. Sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC. Each has its own advantages and requirements. Number 2, incorporation, that is properly incorporate your business by filling the necessary paperwork, obtaining licensing and permits, and setting up a registered agent. Number 3, governance. Establish a clear government structure with founders, shareholder, director, and officer. Number 4, tax consideration. Next, conclusion and key takeaway. In conclusion, navigating the legal landscape is crucial for business of all sizes. From understanding key terminology to properly structuring contract and complying with regulation, attention to legal detail can make or break an organization. By proactively managing intellectual property, liability, and employee-related matters, company can mitigate risks and position themselves for long-term success. The key takeaway from team presentation are: number 1, familiarize yourself with essential legal concepts. Number 2, prioritize clear, enforceable agreements. And number 3, stay up to date and evolving laws and regulations.